Springboks di itukisetsa papadi le All Blacks, mme papadi ya ho qetela di-Boks di hlotseng All Black lapeng e ne ile ka 2014. Dipapadi tsa di-Boks di tshepa go lekgetlong lena di tlo lonela ho sireletsa serithi sa ho hlola All Blacks e le leetong.
We can't control what's happening in the All Black camp. All what we can control is what we can do. And we as this group, we've never beaten the All Blacks in South Africa.
Ho bona la Springboks e le thatohatsi dipapading tsena ka mora ho hlola Wales ka 2-1 dipapading tsa letoto.
Yeah, first things first, there's never such a thing as Springbok going to the All Black game as a favorite. I've never had that in the future, and the games between the two teams. It's always tough, like you've mentioned now the past couple of years now. It's always nice and close and tight between the two teams. And we know the history of the game between the two teams.
Papadi ena e shebilweng ka mahlo mafubedu, di-Boks ha di so hlole All Blacks lapeng dilemong tse robedi. Ka hoo, e lokela ko tsepamisa maikutlo ho fihlela tournament ena e fela.